Hi, hi, hi. Um, Today, backtester TGR strategy tumbleko daily time frame. Karnele na news day agar tumbleko daily time frame. That's why I backtester TGR strategy karnele na news day. But obviously, tumako high time frame usually ka daily leona sharp. Kakralo the candle didi and the body closer below each other. I wanna so carrying okay to a bearish day. Ka go the 4 hour chart kenya ka break structure to the downside. Ngibe ke berekisitše mara ne ke putša gore is too far, so ga zanka e kry-a really, so ka ya ko 1 hour le yona se ke e kry-e, so ka diang ka ya ko 15 minute ka kry-a order block to the downside on both liquidity sweep break structure to the downside, which is order block to the downside, so ka ya ko 1 minute go 5 minute no fitla go 5 minute ka kry-a le yona break structure to the downside le liquidity sweep break structure to the downside, so ka diang o refiner entry ka tsena ko 1 minute chart no fitla ko 1 minute chart ka kry the same thing mara ke re obvious ke entry chart, so for entry chart tshwanetse be le more confluences as to why o tsena trade, so obviously ke le liquidity sweep break structure to the downside plus le order block plus le retracement ya equilibrium, mara price ne se ile fatshe mo, so ka diang ka tsena ka fair value gap mo, ka tsena ka beya stop on the higher ya the 1 minute order block, but as you can see price e thomile ya fase but then ya thoma o diang ya reverse ya hodimo. So but anyways, re learnile some things today, or re be more diligent, re zama ho lebela more when it comes to price action, especially mo di higher time frame. So ke leboha nako ya lena.